that?
I don't know.
We got parasols. Howdy. Learned lots today.
When you like
Oil.
essential oils? Seriously?
We got our Revive essential oils that we ordered. Finally, wow. Which ones did you order?
Got our essential oils in from Revive. Super exciting. I love that they have 30 ml bottles. So I got 30 ml of peppermint, frankincense, and lavender.
Yes.
Those are our mains.
Let me
That
help
and
you.
tea tree. They were maybe out of stock of the 30 ml of tea tree, so I ended up just getting a couple of little bottles. And then I ordered spearmint because that sounded fun. I love the smell and taste of spearmint, so why not? Yeah, so I got 3 little tea trees, so that's the same equivalent to 30 ml, and then some polychrysum and spearmint. So, can't wait to smell this one.
How will you do that? I do this.
Oh yeah. It's like,
Do it.
exciting. I had to find space for it in my essential oil basket. She's a little overflowing. Some of these are empty, but there's like 3 drops left in them and I don't want to get rid of them, but then I break into the next one, so I need to just go through it. So if you're interested in trying Revive oils, you can click the link in the description, and you can also use the coupon code to get 10% off of your first order. So the coupon code is BOYDS10, but it's in the description. Check it out and order some oils.
It's
Quickly
already.
get the kids for lunch. They're gonna watch their signing time. We're gonna do some power walking around the park. I need some exercise. Okay. And then we're doing taco trucks tonight.
Ooh.
So they get to that early.
Ah.
And
3 more socks than ice cream.
Jesse just begged me for a smoothie, and I decided I wasn't gonna make it unless it tasted good. Oh my gosh. It may not look very good, but this thing tastes like a frozen caramel macchiato. It's really good, and do not tell my siblings because there's not enough for everybody.
here.
Uh-oh, you woke up from the nap.
He wasn't sleeping, he was playing.
Oh.
Just ask Jesse. Jesse.
Was it good? Yeah.
Wow, you're just chugging that. Is it really that good? It's slowly draining.
So I made myself a little pair of, I don't know, short leggings or long shorts, I don't know what you call them. They'll go just to just above my knee, because when I'm wearing dresses like this, I don't really want them to be seen, but I don't want to be bare underneath, because I had an experience walking through San Antonio one time where I walked across the grate wearing a skirt at one of the grates in the downtown on the sidewalk, and it blew everything up. So I like to have a little bit of protection underneath.
Doesn't want to pull a Marilyn Monroe.
I don't want to do Marilyn Monroe. These are good. Leggings are a little bit too long, especially on me because I have short legs. Leggings end up being really long on me. But the bike shorts are a little shorter than I'd like them. So I just sewed these really quick, just a quick job, nothing super professional about them, but they should do the trick.
So it would turn out that my plan for hiding my smoothie from the kids failed.
I had to make them more.
So Bethany made them all their own smoothies. What do they call them? Daddy's milkshake when she made them.
So this is what we do when we have extra smoothie, which isn't very often. I just stick it in these little plastic cups, put some sticks in it, put it in the freezer, and then they have popsicles.
Yummy. You don't make some popsicle. They have
Taco truck!
taco truck.
Taco truck!
The taco truck. Yummy taco. Yummy taco. What do you want? Maybe I shouldn't have used coconut.
What? What?
Yeah. I used coconut milk and now it tastes like coconut. And fries. Fries were gross.
What?
Those kind of fries are.
Those kind of fries were amazing.
She doesn't like it. They're spicy.
they were so good. Oh, Levi thought they were great, right, Libby? Another one. Those coconut aminos, which we use in place of soy sauce.
You look like a cool dude. You got smoothie on your face with it too. Very nice. Oh, Levi likes it.
Come back. Rebecca, you have a fan.
What'd she say?
We're all about to head over to the taco truck. It is parked, and it is not a ginormous lineup of people.
Is it so bad?
Toby's doing tricks. Yeah, so that's where we're going.
37-year-old does ollie.
Toby's not a 37-year-old.
No, he's saying I'm gonna do it first and then Dad'll do it.
You go
I've
ahead.
never actually done an ollie.
Show how it's done, son. Are you goofy sticks?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've always been goofy.
That's weird.
We're just a goofy
I'm
family.
regular.
You
Almost.
shouldn't have your iPod in your hand while you're doing it. If you fall, it will break. Dad, watch out, because he like fell
Okay,
on Levi.
hang
Yeah, I
on.
know.
I like to break my neck.
Oh! No!
I did land it. I did land it. I landed that.
I don't think that's made for men that are under 95 pounds.
It's a Walmart board.
No, it's not. We got them from a skate
It's a
shop.
Walmart board plastic truck.
It's a Walmart board.
I landed it. I'll get a new one.
You have to get me a new board.
We'll get a
now.
new one.
I got this board when I was like 5!
Subscribe, like,
I got
share.
this board when I was 5!
Let's go. Let's go.
It's okay.
It's firewood.
Maybe I can do an ollie now.
Still rideable.
Are you actually going to? Oh
I think
dear.
I can still land an
It's a
ollie.
mini!
Okay, Toby, land an ollie.
I don't-
Land the ollie, boy.
Well, how am I supposed to do it?
Don't
this
go
way?
near the
I
edge.
think I'm gonna get back into boarding.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Watch
I wanna
Levi.
get
Keep
into
Levi
Levi,
back,
wait.
Michael.
Whoa! Water's coming off!
Okay, land it.
Well, you have to keep him.
I was doing ollies like earlier this afternoon, no problem. Did I gain another one? Okay.
Oh no, Dad wants to do it.
You're gonna break it even more. Jesse, out of the
You're
way.
gonna break the other side.
Jesse, get out of the way.
Don't you
Daddy likes to
dare!
fall.
He's gonna break the other side!
Michael. Michael.
Alright, let's go get talking.
Okay, grab Levi.
Oh,
Come on, Jesse.
I never actually knew how to do ollie before. I thought you were supposed to go like that when you go down. But it's when you start to go back up.
Oh really?
Yeah, so that's you're supposed to do like
Okay, come
that.
on, let's go. I'm hungry. Let's go.
I got that board when I was a 5-year-old and you broke it! I had it since I was 5 and I'm 16 now.
Tony
Mike,
Hawk.
you broke my board.
I'm 37. Beat that.
He's like 40 something or 50 something. I don't even know. And he can still do like backflips on
I'm
it.
so heavy I can break a skateboard. Beat that.
I am not heavy, I'm hefty.
Left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on.
That's gonna be viral gold, baby. Apparently everybody wants the taco fries.
It's a lot of people.
Yeah.
And I grew up, I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some.
We got the food. Now let's go eat.
Let's go.
Let's go eat. I don't think we're gonna show us like detailing all of the foods this time. You can watch that here. Did they do the right
Yes.
side? Yeah, did the right side. You can watch all that in the previous video where we go super detailed on all the foods that
My
we get.
heart
and
isn't
stuff.
working.
Basically, we got all the same foods because it was really, really good. So go watch that video. We're gonna enjoy an amazing supper.
If you found a way out, come seek me out.
Storms are brewing.
Hey. I quit.
Okay, I know I said that I wasn't gonna show you guys any of the food, but Toby's fries look really, really good, and you guys just have to see what they look like.
Could still be spicy.
Oh my cheese.
Really, really good.
Beth?
Yeah?
So yummy.
Ready?
That's the first time I made a mistake.
Were you wanting salsa or spicy stuff?
I don't care.
Okay, keep that, put it on.
This time. Oh no, you liked the tacos last time, right? You just didn't like the fries. Yeah. She's like,
What the? Oh, meat.
You picked it up upside down, that's why. You just gonna put them all back in? Good girl. Missing one?
So what did you do? Hey, high five? Yeah, that's nice. Oh my goodness. This one? It's gonna teach him a while if you want to do this one. Levi. Like this?
This is mine?
What's this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just dumped all my chocolate now.
That's not good. Are you gonna eat your toppings? You eat your toppings after.
But she's flat.
Salt doesn't make things spicy.
This is good. I really hope I can finish it all.